Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today is a very good YouTube video because we are putting together slimes. So let's get started. So this one I bought for £4 from a place where I went to my auntie and uncle's house. And yeah, they have two children, Alice and Amelia. They're very nice, and this is what I bought. So it's like cloud, really. So quite nice because it's yellow, and I've got two more here, and then I've got something special to show you. So look at this one now. I've got way more at home, but I've just bought two. So when I get them, I will show you guys on my next video what I'm gonna do, and it won't come until the 2nd of September. So I've ordered two, and they're gonna be shipped, airplane, yeah, just everything. So this is my next one. It smells like bananas, even though I don't like bananas. So yeah, here it is. So this one doesn't break, completely does not break. So it's apparently slime, and you've got to wash your hands after. I don't, because I don't like to. And yeah, I got this one from Smith's. I can't remember how much it is. I've probably spent about £2 on it, and yeah, it's really good. So if you guys want to go get it, then yeah, just go to Smith's. The next one I want to show you is, if I can get it open. There we go. It's a really nice one. What my mum's boyfriend bought me. His name's George. It's like this really nice green putty, what hardly breaks, but it's like really hard. So if you can see that. Sorry guys, my camera isn't very good, but I'm gonna get a new YouTube channel, and yeah, I'm getting my mum's phone, so yeah, should be better. Next things I want to show you are these magnets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to try and find a flat area. Okay, so I'll do it here. Ready? So that's all they do, so it's like really weird. So that's it for today, and I hope you guys are feeling well, because my cousin Amelia isn't very well. She's had her in her arm, so she's not feeling very well, so she's had needles, and yeah, because she's starting school in September. So, and I go back to school in September, so yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoy your week, and I will see you soon. Bye.